Hey guys, it's Lakeisha and Johnny with What's Next, and we are at the Caesars in, guess where? Canada. I'm gonna do a room tour on their king room. We're here in Windsor, Canada. Yes, there is a Caesars here. So let's go in and take a look at their king room. Pretty nice. Oh, I like the entrance of the floors. Very good. First thing's gonna be the bathroom here. Pretty simple. Got a tub. Pretty basic, but still nice and clean. Updated furnishings, I like that. And then the glass shower, and they've got the soaps and everything on the wall. Nice big shower head. The glass shower door. So that's cool. It's a nice little place. Nice big mirror on the back of the door. This is a nice sized bathroom. Show you that. Lots of lights, nice and bright. I like that wood floor though. All right, and I got a little closet here. Typical ironing board. A little bit of space to hang everything in. Colors are really nice in here with this dark gray. What do we got in here? Oh, here's our safe. A little bit of space here. Oh, they left us some waters. Thank you, Caesars. And as you guys know, we're part of the Caesars Rewards, so we're trying to set a goal of visiting all of the Caesars properties if we can within the next 12 months. I don't know, that's a pretty big goal, because if you're not aware, Caesars has properties everywhere. So even in Canada, that's where we're at right now. So let's take a look here. This is the king room, and this is a comp room. So if you have the Caesars Rewards, you could travel here to Canada. And this one is, if you're not familiar, Windsor is right across the border from Detroit, so you don't really have to go super far into Canada. But we've got this pull-out couch here. And then we have the king-size bed. I love the mattresses on all of the Caesars beds. Got a great view. I'll take you closer here in a minute. And then nice desk. Looks like we've got our refrigerator under here. Oh yeah. Coffee maker as usual. Nice little bench, another mirror. Big TV, always have a big TV. And then let's take a look at this view. Looks like we can see, I believe this is Windsor, because if we look on the other side, you're going to see Detroit. So, because it's right across the river. So yeah, this is Windsor over here. Pretty nice view. So you get that little bit of the Canadian feel, and you get to be in another country, but you're just steps away from the US. So it's kind of neat, something different. Thanks Caesars for letting us come here and giving us the comp. So Caesars Rewards has really been great to us, so we're thankful for that. If you don't have a rewards program, highly recommend, or even if you do have a rewards program, I recommend that you take advantage of Caesars. They're really easy to gain rewards with, and they have lots and lots of bonuses that you can get. So anyways, this is our king room tour at the Caesars in Windsor, Canada. I'm sorry. Yeah, no, Windsor, Canada. Johnny keeps messing me up. And anyways, one of our comp rooms. So really nice, especially when you don't have to pay for it. Anything's nice, but Caesars always takes really good care of us, and we're thankful for that. We are a little sad that we can't record down in the casino, but that's okay. Everybody has their rules, and we'll follow them. We'll respect them. So we won't be doing a whole lot of recording of play, but we will have some bits and pieces so you guys can see what the property looks like here. So they allowed us to record for that. So let me give you one last look at the bathroom. Nice deep tub, big mirror here, and then the glass encased shower, big shower heads. This is the king room, again at the Caesars in Windsor, Canada. It's Lakeisha and Johnny stuffing his face with what's next, and we'll see you next time.